Lighthouse for Life family. Lisa Kerr here, and I want to share a quote with you from one of the ladies that we've had the honor of getting to know. She says, "The harbor," which is where I'm currently sitting, "has given me a place to go when I had nowhere else to go. No one can really comprehend what it's like to be trafficked, but this is a place where I'm met with understanding and love and just openness. It doesn't matter who you are or what you believe, it's just great here." This quote resonates with me today in particular because that same survivor showed up this morning in her own personal state of crisis. She actually walked here in the rain because she knew that she would be seen here, she'd be valued here, and that the team would really rally around her, which is what they did. And as the rest of us over at the office building were praying for the team and praying for her, I just couldn't stop but give God thanks that she knew that she could come here and that in her crisis, she did come here and they were able to support her. You know, there are so many things to be thankful for here at Lighthouse for Life. In particular, Midlands Gives just happened, and thanks to so many of you jumping on board and donating whatever amount you could give, and thanks to Southeastern Freight for the $1,000 award that was added to the total, we were able to bring in over $20,000, which just means so much to us as it helps us to be able to meet survivors like this young lady in situations like today. In fact, there's so many other things I could give thanks for. Last week I was at a networking event with Uplift and sitting in the room with EMS and law enforcement and community members and county members and talked to victim advocates, and actually there were several different situations that were brought to the surface while having conversations that were related to trafficking. And I thought how incredible it is to be a part of a team in this fight. And then Wednesday night, we were over at East Lake Church as a combined with Crossroads, and we're showing our documentary, The Slave in Your Backyard. If you have not seen it, you still can. Pastor Ray even gave up his birthday, and it was amazing to look out in the room and see families, whole families with all their kids sitting there watching this documentary, and then afterwards having the conversations, asking the questions that are going to help prevent those same family members from being victimized by trafficking, or how to come alongside and help other individuals, literally maybe saving lives. And last Friday, right here at the harbor, they had a volunteer training event where there were several women that went through a really comprehensive training time of how to come alongside and support our survivors here in the property as they are getting a meal or laundry or a shower or just a fellowship that they desperately need. Thank you to each of those volunteers who came and were there that night, and for the many others that are part of things. Thank you to those who helped build the pergola, helped put the swing outside, which has been used so much by me personally as well as our survivors as just a really therapeutic place. I know there's a group of ladies coming to bring some flowers and help make it beautiful. I know of many people who have come alongside us and have set up fundraisers, whether it's through their own skill sets. The Starlight Gala that just hosted a dance night and was able to raise some funds to help us keep our lights on and continue to bring hope. And I think of F3 and their upcoming event, and just so many who have said, "What do I have to give? And I want to give it." We just, from the bottom of our hearts today, want to say a very sincere thank you to you. Because whether you're a lamplighter, giving on a regular basis, helping to sponsor an event, holding a conversation in the community, praying for us, sending a card, or volunteering your time, you are a valued part of why we are able to bring hope into the lives of the women and the men and the boys and the girls, such as the gal who came by here this morning. So please, thank you so very, very much.